Ah!
39? Channel 39. What the heck happened?
Ah! Horse weasel. Hey Lucas, oh, you forgot about the Mars guys. Oh my gosh. I bet you forgot.
Oh yeah, I did.
Wait, Robosapien 2.
I know, he looks like he's dead.
Well, still, we could charge him, but yeah, I brought him dead. But he has chargeable. Let's just use him for the college. Can I put on my Robosapien? If you want to, because you might run dead. And you don't have chargeables. Oh, yeah. There, I brought these mini guys. Stuck mostly.
Except for this one.
Yeah, and the orange. And Robosapien. Let's just leave them.
I wonder where's my water gun.
I don't know.
I really miss my water gun.